What's good, family? Since today's Air Max day, I decided to bring y'all a special unboxing. I've had these for like a month or two and I never showed y'all them on the channel. I feel like it's only but right that I show you the best Air Max ever released, potentially. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. Y'all see what's going on right here. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below so I could keep bringing y'all fire content. The more we spread these videos out, the easier it'll be for me to keep making these videos. So get this one to over 150 likes if you want more fire pickups on the channel. Also, I would like to officially thank y'all for 25,000 subscribers. I haven't filmed since I hit 25k. Listen, bro, I'm hella grateful that y'all been showing so much love, bro. Like, it goes beyond words at this point. It just keeps me motivated to keep going. If you guys do end up joining us, let me know you're a new sub in the comments so I could welcome y'all to the family. But today we got a pair of Air Max 197 size 10. Y'all already see what kind of vibes we got going on. Opening these up, you got the Wotherspoon Air Max 1s. Honestly, this is the best Air Max I've ever seen. Only Air Max that I have in my collection, if I'm not mistaken. I'm actually lying. I got the Travis 270s too, but these don't even, let me get them out of here. They're clean or whatever, but they will never be these right here. This is low-key Wotherspoon's best work. I don't care what anybody says. I'm kind of disappointed that he left Nike because, bro, had we gotten more shit like this, he still would have been on top in my opinion. I love everything on this shoe. It's the perfect spring summer sneaker. I had to pull these out for y'all on Air Max Day. Low-key, like I said when I showed y'all these off-whites, I keep a few heaters in the tuck for whenever I need some videos. And originally today I was gonna drop the Supreme Margiela box logo drop list. Being that it's Air Max Day, it just made sense.
It just makes sense
to give y'all my favorite Air Max of all time unboxing. I will show y'all all the little details and all that. So let me pull them out the box. I'm also gonna do the drop list tomorrow. Relax, I got y'all, bro. But this is another one of those pairs that I got for a steal, bro. I think I paid like 600. I'm gonna try to pull up the receipt and put it up there for y'all. It come with all the laces, patches, and all that. The way that I buy these sneakers for the most part is I wait until eBay has a 10% off sale, which they're currently having right now. I go find a grail that I like that people are accepting offers for. I think the person wanted like 7 or some shit like that. Offer like 6, 10% off on top of that. Come on, bro. Look at the condition on these shits too. I'm not even kidding, bro. The nips are on there. The nips are nipping, bro. And y'all know that's the first thing to go. These are clean, hella clean. Probably worn like once or twice is what it looks like to me. And I'm excited to finally be making this video because until I do the review for my shoes, I don't end up wearing them. So I could officially wear these now, and it's about to be spring summer, so I'm gassed up. If you guys don't know, Wotherspoon is the owner of Round 2, which actually has closed down at this point. He basically won a contest to make an Air Max. There was like 9 or 10 different people who signed up with their own shoe design, and obviously these won, and it's for a reason. He combined 2 different silhouettes, added corduroy to the upper, a bunch of different colors. It's just the perfect shoe, if I'm being honest. I love everything on this sneaker, and as far as Air Maxes go, this is the grail for me personally. Let me know what your favorite Air Max is in the comments. There's a bunch of fire pairs like the Safaris, the Atmos. I know, trust me. Cause is out there too, but out of new age, this is definitely the best Air Max that has released. Don't bash me in the comments. It is what it is. I'm not the biggest Air Max connoisseur. When I tell you that these are hard, I definitely stand by that 100%. I do also love the Cortez Air Maxes. Those I need in the collection, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm still on the hunt for those. From the colors on the outsole, you got that yellow, blue, gray, and then you got that almost like a terracotta type of color. Smiley face on the inside. There's a wave patch on the tongue. The other tongue has the swoosh patch. I could switch it out, but I'm gonna leave it like this. I just like the combination. Even the back has VA to LA. I never even knew this pair had that until getting these in hand. Velour on the inside. I've tried these on and I must tell you, bro, it's one of those pairs that I could destroy because it's just comfy. It's perfect, bro. It goes with damn near everything. I'm excited to have these in the collection, honestly. I was scoping them out for a long ass time. So the fact that it's Air Max Day, I just want to give some praise and love to the Air Maxes. I really wish Sean would have stayed with Nike, bro, but I understand that when it comes to Nike, if you're not their bread and butter, they won't really give you too much creative control. That's kind of what happened with Kanye West. He was having creative control, but they weren't letting him drop a lot of shit. He wanted to do things his way. They ain't let him. Y'all see Travis though, he got a bunch of shit releasing with Jordan Brand, and that's because he's their golden boy at this point, if that makes sense. But if you pay close attention, the only shit they're releasing for Travis's is really Jordan 1 lows. He's not touching no more 4s, no more 6s. The only shit that they're dropping for him is Jordan 1 lows, and now obviously his own branch. But I'm getting off topic. From the box to the shoes, all the details, there were a lot of people in that room with Sean finalizing this design from ASAP Nas. There was a bunch of people in there, to be honest, and they came up with a masterpiece in my opinion. There was also a sample pair which was almost like all blue. I'm gonna throw a picture up here. The blue pair was nasty, bro. There was rumors that that one was gonna release until Sean obviously ended up leaving to go with Adidas, and let me know if y'all like the Sean Adidas shit. For me, this is what Sean Wotherspoon is known for in the sneaker world, at least in my opinion. I love these right here, and shit, if I could double up, I honestly would, because I know this is one of those pairs that will get destroyed, especially if I put some love and care on these and wear them OD how I plan to. It's not gonna end too well. This whole time I've been looking at the shoe, I'm like, yo, what's the color code on this shit? Because there's like 20 different colors. It's light blue fury lemon wash. There's no green, purple, peach, gray, or yellow. I think the yellow would be the lemon wash. This was just a quick little video on Air Max Day for y'all. I had a little bit of heat to show you, so I might as well slap it on the perfect day. I appreciate all of y'all for coming through. If you enjoyed this one, please get it to over 150 likes. Y'all don't know how far that gets the channel. Whenever you watch these videos, if you do end up enjoying, hit that like, bro. Honestly, it's the minimum you could do, and it helps us so much. I'm trying to spread onto the algorithm for sneaker content, so thank y'all beforehand. Subscribe to the channel. We recently hit 25K. My goal for this year is bare minimum 30,000. I know we can make that happen easily. I'm shooting for 50, bro, but if I get 30, I'm low-key satisfied. It's a good year for me, but I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching. Spend some time with your loved ones, because you don't know how much time we got left. And one last look at the Sean Wotherspoon Air Maxes. They even got that little bit of brown, bro. Like, come on, fire shoe. Comment down below where you would rank these amongst all the Air Maxes that have released. For me, if this isn't the best one, it's definitely top 3, right next to the Cortezes. This is just way more creative. But yeah, that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos, because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history, and trust me, they know you better than I know you. So click one of those 2 videos, and hey, I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.